Hi everyone, welcome back to our style journey. So today I'm gonna share with you some beautiful, some outstanding collection of skater dresses for this winter season, for office wear, for businesswomen. So there are so many beautiful dresses for official meetings, for official parties. So I hope you will really like this collection. If you're looking for something sophisticated, classy, so these designs are for you guys. I hope you will really like them, and I hope that this video is really going to be very helpful for you, very useful for you. So there are a lot of beautiful ideas, there are a lot of beautiful designs that are coming up next in this video. I hope you will love them. So I must suggest you guys that if you're loving these designs of skater dresses, so just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are looking so awesome and beautiful. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful and helpful for you. So my dear viewers, if you're loving these amazing skater dress designs ideas for this winter season, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Do tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel. Which type of videos are made useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.